Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about what was my previous month sales till today's date. That means I want to see what was my sales from 2024 February 1st to 2024 February 26th. Here you can see today's date is 26th of March 2024. I want to see the sales from 2024 1st of February to 26th of February. Okay, and it will go dynamically. When it will be 27th, the result should be 1st to 27th of February. Okay, so for that, here you can see this is our data set. This is our data set. There is date and it is sales data. So what I have done first, I took month number from this date. Okay, so month number, month of date column, then again year number and day number. Here you can see this is the day number. Okay, so what we have to do, so this is the DAX. Okay, so here you can see what I have done, previous month sales till today. So I took a variable A that is taking today's month. This will say today's month. So today's month is what? March. So this will return 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that means 2. So it will return February month. Okay, year will be today, so today's year 2024, and day will be today, so it will return 26. Okay, so on the return statement I am calculating the value like sum of sales. Okay, then I am filtering the data, filtering the table where the month number is A. So what is the month number? Month number is now February, and year number is B. So year number is what? 2024, and day number is what? Day number is today. So today is 26. So 26 to 2024. This will return the total sales value. So if we see here, so here you can see I am taking this as none. So here you can see 16186,764. so this is my table. Here you can see, so if I go 1st of February to 26th of February, right? 26th of February, so total sales is 16183,764. so this is coming, so like this. So when it will be 27, it will come again like this, it will be summing up the value. So like this we can calculate what was my previous month sales till today, and then we can compare with, if I have this month sales also till today, then I can compare it. That will be valuable comparison. Okay, so like this real-time situation, real-time projects, we work like this. So thanks a lot. Thanks for viewing my channel. Thanks for viewing my videos. Support us, subscribe to my channel, and spread these videos among your friends. Thanks guys, thanks.